Do you really need to exercise every day?
Many beginners wonder if daily workouts are required for fitness success. While consistency is key, exercising every single day isn't always necessary and could even be counterproductive. The optimal exercise schedule depends on your goals, fitness level, and how your body responds to activity. Let's break down what truly matters when starting your fitness journey.
The role of rest days in fitness.
Rest days are important for beginners. Your muscles need time to recover and adapt after exercise, especially when starting out. Skipping rest increases the risk of burnout and injury. Most experts recommend at least 1 or 2 rest days per week for beginners, allowing the body to repair and strengthen for better long-term progress.
How often should beginners work out?
For most beginners, aiming for 3 to 5 workout sessions per week is effective. This could include a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Such a routine provides sufficient activity for building fitness while incorporating essential recovery time. It's better to start slow and gradually increase frequency as your endurance and strength improve.
Understanding active rest.
The rest days don't have to mean complete inactivity. Activities like walking, stretching, or gentle yoga can count as active rest, helping to maintain momentum without overstressing your body. These lighter movements support recovery, boost circulation, and keep you motivated on your fitness journey.
The bottom line on daily workouts.
Exercising every day isn't required for progress, especially when you're just starting out. Focus on consistency, listening to your body, and allowing proper recovery. A balanced approach, mixing workouts with rest or active recovery, leads to better results and helps you build a lasting, enjoyable fitness habit.